Peppa, if you tell me not puddles, you must wear your boots. Pick is working on her computer. Daddy, can we have your glasses? Shoes. Daddy or not, here I come. That's so brilliant. That's so good. The acronyms is not funny. Nope. Hiccups. Peppa, George, Mommy and Daddy are having breakfast. It is a lovely sunny day, and Peppa and George can't wait to go into the garden to play. Mommy, please can we go out to play? Mommy, please can we go out to play? You can go out to play when you finish your breakfast. George, don't drink your juice too quickly. George drank his juice too quickly, and now he has hiccups. Can we go out to play now, Mommy? No, not what George has hiccups. But George hiccups have got Mommy. Haven't they, George? Oh, all right. You can go out to play, but look after George. Peppa and George love playing in the garden. George, I'm going to throw the ball, and then you have to catch it. George, please stop hiccuping. George, now you threw the ball to me, and I have to catch it. George! Oh dear, just hiccups are spoiling the game. Oh dear, just hiccups are spoiling the game. George, I know to cure hiccups. You have to do what I say. Rub the top of your head and rub your tummy. Good, now your hiccups have gone. Peppa cure for hiccups doesn't seem to have worked. George, you done it all wrong. I know a better way to cure hiccups. First, jump up and down 3 times on one leg. Now, with your arm up and down and stick your tongue out. And now, close your eyes and turn around quickly 3 times. Peppa knew cure hasn't worked either. George still has hiccups. I know to cure hiccups, the ill piggy must be given a sock. George, I'm going to scare you, but you must remember it's always against and it will stop your hiccups. Remember, this is just pretend scary. Oh! Wow! Peppa, you mustn't play so rough with George. He's only little. Sorry, Mommy. I was just trying to stop George's hiccups. George's hiccups have gone. Here comes that pig with tooth because of juice. George, if you drink too quickly, you will get hiccups again. I'm not as little as George. I can drink juice as quickly as I want to. Good night, everyone. Thanks for watching.